Hello guys, today I want to show you my new plier. This is a special plier for soldering. It is supposed to fix the wires under here, and then you can adjust it. So it's, yeah. I have never used it before, so it's my first time, so let's go ahead and see how it's working. According to the website, it should be just, you just open the jaws and put the cable inside, like this. And so far so good. And then you can adjust it. Maybe better to hold it on there. You can adjust it so it's close to each other. Let's get remove all this. And then well, I think it is supposed to be like this. So you have both your hands free and to use the soldering iron. And then with both hands free, let's see if this is working. Always pre-tin the cables, which I not have done in this case. Okay, let's take a look at that. How does it look? Well, not bad at all, actually, considering that it was not pre-tinned. Let's see if it can work with the thinner cables. This is 0.75 millimeter cables. Maybe we can just put them together like this. This is also not pre-tinned. Oh yeah, that's much better. Yeah, that looks very nice. Here we go. Look at that. It's not my best work, but it will do. So it works excellent with this one. Then we have 0.5 millimeter cables or wires. Here we go. Again. That seems to be working nice as well. But this one looks very nice. And the thinnest one we have is this one. It is 0.25 millimeters. Very fine stranded. And here we have it. It is okay. So then I had no problem using the plier on all these 4 wires: 2.5, 0.75, 0.50 and 0.25 millimeter cables. So there we have it. This little plier, which cost almost nothing. I will provide a picture, a link for it here somewhere. I bought it from AliExpress. Works like it's supposed to, even with the thinnest of the cables that we have. Yeah, I don't know if there is so much more to tell about it, but you get a free hand if you use this. I bought it to use it in my car, so I don't have to hold it, and you know. It's an extra pair of hands, so far I can recommend it. Oh, one more thing. If you're wondering what camera I'm using, I can show you. I do most of my clips with this camera from Sony. It's a ZV-1. And I also use this Røde microphone, which I really love. It's, I don't remember the name of it, but it says Røde. Yeah. It's a Røde video micro. Is it possible to read this? It's an excellent microphone for a little over cheap budget, but it's well worth the money. So there you have it. Filmed with the Sony ZV-1, which is an excellent camera with very high quality images. Then, that's all folks. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.